Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for unemployment. First, you need to confirm your eligibility, which typically means you're unemployed through no fault of your own and actively seeking work. Next, gather all required documents, including your social security number, driver's license or state ID, and employment history for the past 18 months. This information is crucial for a smooth application process. Each state has specific requirements, so checking your state's Labor Department website is a vital first step. Once you've confirmed eligibility and gathered your documents, the next step is to file your claim. Most states prefer online applications through their official unemployment agency website. You'll need to provide detailed information about your previous employers, dates of employment, and the reason for your separation. Accuracy is key here to avoid delays. After filing, you'll typically need to certify your eligibility weekly, confirming you're still unemployed and actively looking for work. After submitting your application, there's usually a waiting period, often 1 week, before benefits can begin. During this time, your claim will be reviewed. It's important to respond quickly to any requests for more information from the unemployment agency to prevent processing delays. Remember, a key requirement for receiving benefits is actively searching for new employment. Keep a record of your job search activities, as you may need to report them. To continue receiving unemployment benefits, you must report any earnings from part-time work or changes in your employment status. Failing to do so can lead to penalties. Many states offer valuable resources like job search workshops, resume building assistance, and training programs to help you find new work. These tools can significantly aid your reemployment efforts. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Staying informed and proactive is essential throughout this process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.